Hey guys, this is Sakib. Welcome to the BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we'll talk about another WordPress gallery widget, the Fever Gallery, brought to you by Pixel Gallery add-on for Elementor. Fever widget is the best gallery making tool for adding an extra vibe to your image gallery by placing an impactful animation effect. The animation uplifts the canvas from beneath and reveals the description text in a fancy manner. On the display, you can see how amazing the gallery looks after some customizations on the appearance. The gallery template made with the Fever widget has a solid overlay color for the animation effect. You can try different color presets to your liking. Also, you can hide gallery items and leave blank spaces to create this kind of unique gallery easily. It's all possible with the Fever Gallery widget. Alright, time to show you the backend customizations. On the Elementor editor page, you can already see the widget dropped inside the page. Let's zero the row gap and column gap for the gallery. You can increase all item heights using the scroll bar here. Then you get a masonry switcher to transform the gallery. The three switches below control the visibility of the title, text and date of the gallery. There is also an alignment options for the text. From the image size option, you can customize the dimension of all images in the gallery. Then click on the link option and select media file, and the link target can stay a whole item. Thus, the whole picture becomes clickable and ready for inserting links. Next, go to the items section where all gallery items are listed. You can close them by clicking the cross button or add more by clicking the add item button. Now click on the first item box, click on the image and select an image from the media library. Then change the title as well as the description text for the item. Following this, edit the info of all gallery items. When done, click on the fourth item box and switch to the grid subsection. Then change the column span to 8 for it. Set column span for 6 for the last two items. While column span controls the width of the item, row span controls how many rows the particular item will occupy. The base layout seems complete now that all items are perfectly fit inside. Now let's move on to the Style tab for appearance customizations. From the first section, select Gradient for the background type and then choose Overlay Background Colors for the gradient. Choose Transparent Color as the first color and change the color location. Choosing deep blue for the second color and editing color location. The shade is looking nice. Then move on to the title section and pick white as the title text color. Then customize the title font from the typography. Change font family, size and weight. Then move on to the next section and choose white color for the text. Reduce color opacity for a better matchup. Also customize the typography to change the font family. Just hover over the items and see how the texts look. Lastly, go to the date section and change the color of the date text to white while reducing the opacity to match that of the text. Also customize the typography. Now minimize the options panel and watch how we made one of the earlier demo image galleries with just a little tweak from the options. Similarly, you can create more amazing galleries without any coding knowledge with the Fever widget. Thanks for enjoying this tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe for more widget tutorials. See you next time.